How you can add your company branding to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. This will also help you to show up your creativity and it will stop a phishing attack. So all this we are going to see in this video. Intra ID portal, the identity portal. In an identity portal, this is the custom branding that you can see. The custom branding under this page, you will see all these things that you need to configure. So once you edit this button, under this edit button, you will see this is the custom branding that we need to do. So now you can see there is two images that we need to have, the background image and this one is a small image that is 32 by 32 pixel, and you need the big image that is 190/20 and 1080p. This image that you need for to set the branding. So it's basically this small image that is favicon icon. This image 32 by 32 pixel. This image you can both the image I'll show you. I'll give you the idea how you can create this image. It's very simple. You can just get your logo, put in somewhere in the AI tool, ChatGPT, something like that, and get the image. Then image is not looks good, then just use that image in the Canva, do some little bit customization, download image. Then the size not matter, the size is not going to matter, basically the size doesn't match. Then you have to use any third-party tool to stretch that make the image perfect. And then the file size is basically the big size. Then you have to use any web-based tool to shrink that image, to match this maximum file size that you see, like 5 KB and 5 KB. So that this is what it takes, 300 KB the file size, and then you can upload. It's very simple, few clicks for a few hours, and then you will have this two beautiful image which you at the end you're not going to like. But anyways, we need to upload to show some creativity. So I have uploaded these two images here, and then you see the page background color is also here. That you always keep the white, don't make a little bit funky. If you have a test environment and you want to try something, you can go with this page background color and do a little bit of funky thing. So this is what it is here. These three things you need to do. And then comes to the layout. Layout is basically when you choose, there are two options. You can full screen background, but in this you will see this is the prompt and it hides our background image. So I recommend I'm going with the partial screen, where you will see the login page at the right hand side, and this looks pretty good. Header, I don't want any header on the login page. I do not have any, and the footer also same, no. CSS also, you can upload your customized CSS if you know the development. Okay, the header footer is, again, there is nothing, and so we are not adding anything here. Under this self-service password reset, and there's the logo. This is I am covering in the later in this video. So just stay tuned, I'll show you. And sign in page text is please like, subscribe. This message will show up on the login page. So I will show you where you can going to see this. Let's go next, and this is the preview that what we have. And this is, since we have not made any changes, all this configuration already there. So let's go to the custom branding and we'll see everything in action. So now you see we put, and there you go. So this is the message, this is the logo you see, and you see this is my message, like, share, subscribe. So this is another branding that you are going to see how it works and how it looks there. So this is we are going to set from the organization setting, then go to the organization profile and custom themes. So this is the place where you're going to choose. Same thing, go to the logo, and this is what you image you need. So you get this image from the link that is available here in the logos. Yeah, so go here, and the image that you need is 200 by 48 pixel. This is the image that Microsoft recommend, and this is the image size you need, and put your logo, everything in that image, and then upload that image. Upload that image, and you will have this. Just 1 minute. Yeah, so upload that image here, and you will look like this. Color, if you again go with the default, if you want any funky thing, you can change this and make it a little bit creative. Another thing, see, since we are using the default theme, so there is a add theme. So add theme is basically you can set this theme for your targeted user. They are going to see this different color, different logo, I don't know, whatever the customization you want to do, you can do this same thing, same logo, same color theme. You can a different color theme, you can add and show this to your targeted user. This is the third customization you can do. And yeah, this is all from this video. Show some creativity and create a logo, and that's all. This is all I from this video. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.